Okay, y'all, come with me while we reconstitute my trizepatide. This is for research purposes only. So I did get my trizepatide from Simple Peptides, just this one single valve. That's all that I got from Simple Peptides. For research purposes only, I'm going to show you guys how we can reconstitute this, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to start off with the vial, the medication. It is 10 milligrams in here. So it's 10 milligrams. So I'm going to use this for 2 doses of trizepatide because right now I am on 5 milligrams. So this is enough for 2 doses, okay? I have my wonderful alcohol pad. I have a lot of them, okay? Dime a dozen. Start with clean hands. I already washed my hands. And then I have my backwater here, okay? So let's start by popping this top. Okay, it comes off. Okay, the blue top comes off. Then you have to take your trusty alcohol pad and you wipe that off. Okay, then you also have to take another alcohol pad because you have to clean off your backwater top. Okay, so you're going to clean that also. So I have insulin needles, and so what we're going to do with this is we're going to draw up 100 units with our insulin needle and then put it in here. But first you have to add air to the backwater to make sure that you can pull everything out. So you do that first, okay? You add this to the middle and then you just push in your air and then you draw up your 100 units of backwater. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay. Now, let me put this up. Now, normally, what you could do is you could also add air in here, but we don't want to do that, okay? Because what's going to happen is, you know what? I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys can see I am going to take this. This is just air. And when you push it in, you'll see it's going to pull the air in. Okay? And so that makes it so you can be able to put your backwater in. So now I am going to push this valve in, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I hold this part because I don't want the backwater to go into the vial too quickly. And then I'm going to tilt it to the side so that it does not clump my medicine on the inside. And then I'm just going to take my time and add it slowly. Takes a minute. Because you don't want it to, you're just taking your time when you're adding the liquid because you don't want it all to clump to one side. So you're just taking your time to add just to add it slowly. And sometimes it will actually go on its own and kind of pull it in a little faster because I'm trying to slow it down a little bit now. And so when I get ready to draw this up in the morning, it will be just 50 units per shot. Okay, so this will last me for 2 weeks. Okay, so you do not shake up these vials. You just kind of rub it in between your hands back and forth, and then it will dissolve, and then you'll be good to go. And then you just do your 50 units. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. I do have a vial holder that I keep my peptides in the refrigerator. And yeah, but this is my trizepatide. After I finish these two, then I am switching to Retta. I think I've kind of reached a wall with trizepatide because I was on it for so long before, and this just really isn't giving me what it needs to give. It doesn't quiet the noises as much, the food noises, but yeah, it's all the journey. And of course, y'all know I'm taking taking y'all with me. But this is from Simple Peptides, Trizepatide, same thing. This kind of in Manjaro or Zepbound, those different things. But it's only for research purposes only. Until next time.